Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another Stream API problem. Given a person object where each person has a first name and a last name, sort the list person by their first name, then by last name. So we have a person object created with first name, last name, constructor, getters, and toString, and this is our input. So these kind of comparisons are helpful, or this chaining of comparison is helpful when uh, maybe you will have similar or inputs, okay? And so comparison between similar inputs is not possible. For example, here you see this is your first name, this is your last name. So if I'm to arrange it by first name, so Bobby would come up in any order until and unless I give it something else to compare with. So since it has its last name also, thankfully the last name is different, so we can arrange it accordingly. So we will see that Bobby Adams would come first and Bobby Smith would come later, like when we are comparing. And when we are arranging it in alphabetical order, obviously this will be in proper alphabetical order. Alice first, then Bobby, and then John. Okay, so sorted, comparator, dot comparing. We take the person object, method reference, get first name. Okay, and then you would do a then comparing, and we would take person object and then last name. We will collect it as a list and then let's print it. Okay, so first we are comparing based on the first name, and after we have that comparison, then we do a comparison of the last name. Okay, let's look at the output. So as we compared with the first name before, so this is in proper alphabetical order, and then once this is sorted, then we compare based on the last name. So that is why Bobby Adams would be coming first and Bobby Smith would be coming later. Now again, if we were to reverse this, then you know that Adam Johnson, then Smith would come, right? First, this would be arranged in alphabetical order and then accordingly that. So you can just do this. Okay. And we see the last name is in alphabetical order and then the first name is arranged accordingly, right? So this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.